land, the wind 0803.
Clear land 909. Copy.
Tower United 215 coming out of the southport, Texas.
United 215, did I give you 9 center 10 left?
I don't think it said in the PDC.
Okay, United 215, I'm going to give you 1-10 left. 10 left at Delta, keep on the outer wall. There's going to be Quebec, Alpha, 10 left at Delta.
300.
Okay, so just straight ahead and then Quebec Alpha and then Delta for United 215 for 10 left.
Thanks, sir.
Tower Giant 4189 going to be ready at the runway 09 center, and we have kilo.
50.
Giant 4189 heavy, it's going to be 9 center Fox, unless you need the full length. Taxi via November, Mike Delta, cross full left at Delta.